open my own bakery.
Everyone, settle down, please.
Who knew there were so many kinds of beans to choose from?
What if I told you that everything you thought you knew about creating videos for your business is about to change? In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how we created this. In just 3 days, for a fraction of what professional videos cost, and by this changes everything about how any business can tell any story. Let's be real for a second. As business owners, we're all fighting for attention in an increasingly distracted world. That's how long you have before someone makes a judgment about your business. And here's something wild. Stories are 22 times more memorable than facts alone. Until now, if you wanted to create any kind of video for your business, you had 3 terrible options: cheap but generic, amazing but expensive, or DIY disaster. But what if I told you there was a 4th door? Check this out.
Each day whispers of new beginnings, a quiet promise to start again. Dreams lift us higher, defying gravity, reaching for something greater. Growth begins in the smallest moments, pushing gently yet powerfully toward the light. With patience and care, even the simplest things can become extraordinary. There are no limits, only skies waiting to be explored. And when we rise together, bold and united, we create meaning beyond ourselves. At Rise, these truths shape us, one bold idea at a time.
That video you just watched, we created in just 3 days and completely customized to our vision. No templates, no compromise. And the best part, you can use this approach for anything your business needs. But here's what's truly mind-blowing. The unlimited creative styles now at your fingertips for any video your business might need. Product demos, training videos, customer testimonials, social media content, and for each one, you can choose any style you want. Spider-Man comic book? Done. Disney Pixar 3D animation? Done. Dreamy fairy tale aesthetic? Done. This used to require hiring specialized artists for each style at prices most small businesses could not afford. Let's break down what this would have cost traditionally to understand this better. Around $3,000 for a storyboard artist, $5,000 for an animator, and $2,500 for a sound designer. Let's not forget $1,500 for editing and 2 months of back and forth revisions. And if you wanted to try a different style altogether, start all over again. But with AI, all of this changes. Now you're looking at about $500 total, and that's about 24 times more affordable. And the truly revolutionary part, your creative options are unlimited. Want to see how your story looks in a newer film style? Prefer a vibrant anime aesthetic? Just ask for it. Need a vintage 80s commercial vibe? It's all possible without starting from scratch or blowing your budget. We are not just talking about saving money here. We are talking about unleashing creative possibilities that were literally impossible before, no matter how big your budget was. Now you might be thinking, sure, this works for small businesses, but what about the big players? If this is actually that good and revolutionary, why aren't they using it? Coca-Cola, one of the world's most valuable brands, created their entire The Holiday Magic is Coming campaign using artificial intelligence. This wasn't just a small experiment. This was their holiday campaign, traditionally one of their biggest marketing investments of the year. They completely transformed their approach to content creation, blending their iconic holiday themes with cutting-edge AI technology. When a century-old brand with a $40 billion marketing budget show this AI video, you know we are not talking about a passing trend. We are witnessing a revolution. And here's the incredible part. The same technology powering Coca-Cola's campaign is now accessible to businesses of all sizes. So here's what I want you to do right now. Think about any video your business needs to create. Imagine what visual style would perfectly capture that message. And finally, comment below with what you would create with this approach. We are creating these custom videos for businesses of all sizes for any purpose you can imagine, starting at just around $500 with a 3-day turnaround. You can also check out our website, risedesigns.com, or email us at connect@risedesigns.com with your video creation requests. We are not just AI design experts, but also create stunning websites, social media assets, branding guidelines, and so much more. We are just a message away from becoming your design partners at prices that will sound almost unbelievable, but in a good way. Thanks for watching. If this expanded your view of what's possible for your business, smash that like button and subscribe for more game-changing insights from Rise Design Studio.